Have you ever wondered how a simple ingredient like butter can transform into a complex, nutty delight? Today, we're diving deep into the world of brown butter to explore its unique flavors and uses in cooking. Brown butter is more than just melted butter. It's a culinary marvel that boasts a multifaceted flavor profile. It combines rich, toasty notes with sweet and savory undertones, all of which enhance the nutty taste characteristic of this unique ingredient. The transformation from regular butter to brown butter occurs through a process called the Maillard reaction, where milk solids caramelize and turn golden brown. This process is responsible for the nutty aroma similar to hazelnuts that distinguishes brown butter. French chefs have long appreciated brown butter's versatility, using it as a sauce for fish, vegetables, and pasta. This ingredient is not just about the flavor, but also adds an element of luxury to dishes, enhancing both sweet and savory flavors with its complexity. Brown butter can elevate even familiar recipes, like pot pies, by adding a layer of nutty richness that complements the dish's other elements. This enhancement turns simple comfort food into something extraordinary, making it an essential ingredient for many chefs. The application of brown butter in various dishes showcases its ability to bring depth and complexity. Its unique flavor profile can transform simple recipes into gourmet culinary experiences, making it a favorite among professional chefs. In conclusion, the nutty taste of brown butter is more than just an added flavor. It's a fundamental component that enhances dishes in ways that regular butter cannot. Its rich, complex profile makes it an indispensable ingredient for any serious cook. So there you have it. Brown butter brings a unique and delightful flavor to your dishes. What's your favorite dish to use brown butter in? Share your culinary experiences and ideas in the comments. Oh, whoa.